Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my oatmeal. I honestly believe if you don't like oatmeal, it's probably because you just don't know maybe the consistency to your preference, or you just don't know how to make it, you haven't made it right, I don't know. But let me show you how I make it because I honestly eat this almost every day. If it's not oatmeal, best believe it's pancakes. But it's literally the same things because there's so many varieties. Okay, let me shut up and get started. So you want to get your oatmeal. If you get sprouted, it has better benefits than regular oatmeal. And then I have my protein powder right here, as well as some flaxseed meal. And monk fruit is the sweetener of choice that I like to use. And then I just have some cacao nibs and pure vanilla extract. You're also going to need chia, which I feel like the chia seeds is what makes it so creamy. It helps a lot, so it's a staple in my oatmeal every single day. Some PB2 powder. And then here's the Greek yogurt that I like to use. I use this one or the phage. I forget how it's pronounced, but that one is also really good, but this one's already sweetened, so even better. So you just want to go ahead and add everything onto your pot. I almost forgot the protein powder, but I went ahead and added it right here. I use water. You can use milk, but I do feel like it's already creamy and I like to save those calories to add more toppings, but you can do you. I get a lot of questions as to protein powder. They asked me when I started taking them, and it was a little bit into my weight loss journey just because I didn't care for protein. And then I realized when I started eating more protein, I started getting fuller for longer. And I'm like, okay, maybe I need to focus more on my protein than my calories. So that's what I suggest you guys. You don't have to be a super fit babe, go to the gym every single day, or more than anything, what people believe that you have to lift weights in order to eat protein powder. No. Incorporate it into your meals. Like I said, it helps you feel fuller for longer. You should not be feeling hungry when you're on your diet. That is not normal. So this is the consistency that I like using for my oatmeal or having. I let the water boil, and then I always add a little bit more. I don't know. I just kind of eyeball it, but I'll try and measure it out this morning, and then that way you guys can have the exact measurements. Oh, if I didn't mention that, sorry. Everything's listed down below as always in the description box. Full macros and recipe. But I let it boil, and then I add a little bit more water, and then it gets to this consistency. It should just almost double in volume as well. And I don't know how to explain it, but I don't like it to be like pudding, like puree, like you literally can't even taste oatmeal. But I don't like it for me to feel the little grains of oatmeal, like when it's dry. I don't know if you understand me, but this is the perfect consistency for me. It's so freaking good. I'm always oh, I finished it when it's done because it's that good. Here we're gonna get started with our strawberry jam. Super easy to do. You just want to slice your berries, whatever berries. I've done it with raspberry, blueberries, strawberries. I have no favorite. I literally cannot choose. They are amazing. You can, like I said, it's up to you which berries. Strawberries are always the lowest in calories, so that's always a plus. So I just went ahead and added my sugar, a little bit of water, and let that boil until the water evaporates, and then you'll get your jam consistency. Here I have my PB2 powder. Please do not get confused. I know it says 5 grams, but then I added another 5 grams just because I don't know, I thought it was because I typically use about 5 grams when I just want to add it onto my Greek yogurt, but I got confused. So 10 grams total, like it says in the description box. Don't get confused with about 4 teaspoons of water. You can make it thicker or thinner depending on your liking. That's up to you. I like using it just because it's lower in calories and higher in protein than if I were to use real peanut butter. Obviously, I incorporate both, but like I said, oatmeal is one of those that it's always around the 400 to 500 calories, or at least mine are, because of all the toppings that I add. But it's so good. It's so worth it. So I turn off my oatmeal. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. I turn it off, and then I just start doing the toppings, and then it kind of just cools down a little bit. So right here, it has cooled about maybe 5 to 6 minutes, and then I add it onto my bowl. And the first thing that I add on top is always my Greek yogurt, just because I like it to melt a bit. Don't worry, it's not going to turn water. It literally just gets, it's not cold anymore, so it's better. I don't know, I like that. And please do not throw away the little water on top of that Greek yogurt when you open it up. That's full of benefits. Don't toss it out. Go ahead and add the rest of your toppings. And this is the consistency you should get. I hope you guys try it out. Like I said, if you're not an oatmeal lover or you never understood the obsession of oatmeal of other people, you need to try it out. Please try it out and then tell me you don't like oatmeal. I don't know. It could just be me. Maybe it's just me, but it is absolutely delicious. Kid you not. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. Get in your kitchen. Go. I'm waiting because it's so good. If you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to follow me on my journey, I lost 115 pounds and now I'm just dedicated to share recipes of whatever helped me to lose weight. I post a lot more on Instagram. I'm really active on Instagram and I share more on a daily basis. I will start uploading here more vlog style videos that could be helpful if you're starting your weight loss journey. Or if you want to message me on there, have a question, anything, you want a friend, message me on there. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.